Now, whenever you get a PFL and ADR, you have to approach procedural fairness letter or an ADR in a stepwise approach. The steps are very important for you to see how to respond to an ADR or a PFL, right? First, normally, is to get hands on the facts and the documentation and the past applications that you've made to IRCC ever, like including the first application that you would have ever made about 10 years ago up until the latest one. You have to get all the forms, all the documents that you've always uploaded, and try to match the information that is correlating to the concern that has been outlined in the procedural fairness letter. So that's usually the first step. Second, you have to identify the related laws that are surrounding that particular situation. You have to do a lot of latent research. You have to go online, look at available resources, look at the regulations, look at the act, and try to get all the surrounding, the op manuals, operational guidelines, everything together. Third, you have to look at some legal research, try to see if there are similar cases that you can find online or on Canly or anything like that, where you can try to get those cases together. Then starts the correlation part. You try to put the law, the fact, and also some precedents together, and try to find if the officer has committed an error in fact or an error in law. You have to identify, is there an error in the deployment of law? Did the officer look at the right statutes? Did the officer look at the right acts, the regulations? Did the officer deploy the right understanding of law? Was there a plain or a general understanding, or things could have been a bit better? All of those things have to be done properly. And then, if you need, you get some professional help. Try to always, because these are peculiar situations, any response that you send to IRCC beyond receiving a PFL or an ADR within 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, it could probably be the last point of contact that you would have with IRCC, because beyond that, IRCC would be looking at issuing a decision which could be positive, negative, could be a misrepresentation ban or anything, right? So you always have to take these PFLs and ADRs very, very seriously.